सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 13.2 problem number 6. So this problem belongs to deck of cards. So already I have explained detailedly in part 3 video about deck of cards. So those who didn't watch that video, please try to watch that to understand this problem. Right. Let us go to question. Yeah. This is the given question. One card is selected from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, number 3, a red face card, number 4, the jack of hearts, number 5, a spade, number 6, the queen of diamonds. So we have to find the probability of these 6 situations. Okay, right. Before going to this, we shall look one introduction. Right. So already I have explained. Once again I will repeating here. So we have total 52 cards. Okay. In 52 cards, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Each card, 4 cards we have. Each card we have 4 times. Okay. Right. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fours, 36. And A and K, Q, J. Ace cards we have 4 cards. King also 4. Queen also 4. Jack also 4. Okay. So 16. 36 plus 16. Total we have 52 cards. Okay. And so in this K, Q, J are having the faces on that cards. Okay. So these are face cards. Okay. And next, so out of 52, 26 red cards, 26 black cards. 26 red cards, 26 black cards. In these red cards, 13 heart cards 13 and diamond cards 13. In black cards, clubs 13, spades 13. Okay, right. Yeah. So in these four, each one is heart, one is club, one is diamond, and one is spade. Okay. Likewise, all these cards we are having in a deck of cards. Right. This is about introduction of deck of 52 cards. I hope you understand this concept. Based on this concept only we are going to solve this problem. Okay. Right. I will keep it aside. Right. So this is the question. Yeah. One card is selected from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card, the jack of hearts, a spade, the queen of diamonds. Yeah. Let us write what is given first. Yeah. Total number of cards. How many cards we have? Total 52 cards we have. So number of all possible outcomes in selecting a card. How many possible outcomes? That is maximum cards 52. That is 52. Okay. Right. So number 1. So number of outcomes favorable to the king of red color. So the first question is the probability of a king of red color. right? So king of red color probability we have to find, right? So how many red cards we have? Two, which is king. One is heart king and one more is diamond king. Okay, right? So how many favorable outcomes we have now? Right. Probability of getting a king of red color is equals to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So favorable outcomes is nothing but 2. Total outcomes is, that is 52 fixed. Okay. So favorable outcomes are 2. One is heart king, king which is having heart, and king which is diamond. Okay, right. 2 by 52. If you take the cancellation, 2 ones are 226. So 1 by 26 is the probability of getting a red color king. Okay, right. This is the first question. I hope you understand this. Number 2, a face card. Yes, already we discussed how many face cards we have. Yeah, K, Q, J are face cards. How many Ks we have? 4. How many Q? 4. How many jack? 4. So 4 into 3, 12 face cards we have. Okay, right. Let's get into solution. So we have to find the solution, probability for a face card, right? Number of face cards in a deck of cards, 12. That is king 4, queen 4, jack 4. Okay, now what is the favorable outcomes? Favorable outcomes are 12. Okay, right. Next, so what is the probability? Probability of getting a face card is equals number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes. Okay, right. That is nothing but favorable outcomes are 12 by 52. Okay, right. So if you take the cancellation, 4 3s 4 12, sorry, 4 3s are 12 and 4 13s 52. 3 by 13 is the probability of getting a face card. Probability of a face card is equals to 3 by 13. I hope you understand this. Number 3, probability of a red face card. Look at here. So how many red cards we have? 26. Hearts 13, diamonds 13. Okay, so now what we have to find? We have to find the probability of a red face card. How many face cards now? Actually 12. Okay, so in 12 face cards, 6 red face cards, 6 black face cards, isn't it? Right. We have to find the 6 red face cards probability. Okay, right. See, number of red faced cards are 6. That is hearts. H refers to hearts. Heart king, heart queen, heart jack, diamond king, diamond queen, diamond jack. Heart and diamonds are red in color. Okay, right. All the hearts and diamonds are red in color. Remember that thing. So what are the favorable outcomes now? 6. Okay, so the probability of getting a red face card is equals number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So 6 by 52. If you take the cancellation, 2 3s 226. So 3 by 26 is the probability of getting a red faced card. Okay, right. I hope you understand. Number 4, what is the question? Yeah, probability of a jack of hearts, right? Look at here. How many jacks we have? 4. Okay, we have to find the probability of a jack of hearts. So 4 jacks we have. In that, one is a club, one is spade, one is heart, and one is a diamond, isn't it? So now we have to find this particular situation. Okay, so how many favorable outcomes now? How many jack of hearts we have? Only one, isn't it? So number of outcomes favorable to jack of hearts is only one. So probability of getting a jack of hearts, that is a number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So 1 by 52 is the probability of getting a jack of hearts. I hope you understand. Next, coming to fifth, what is the question? A spade, probability of a spade. So how many spades we have? So in 52 cards we have 4 varieties: spades, clubs, hearts, and diamonds, isn't it? See how many varieties: hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. So we have to find the probability for this particular situation. So 13 spades we have. So what are the favorable outcomes now? 13. Okay, how many favorable outcomes? 13. Right. So total number of outcomes already fixed, that is 52. So look at here. Number of spade cards in a deck of 52 cards, that is 13. So number of outcomes favorable to a spade card, 13. So probability of drawing a spade card from 52 deck of cards is equals to a number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, right here, 13 by 52. So 13 ones, 13 50, sorry, 13 ones, 13 fours, 1 by 4 is the probability of getting a spade card. Okay, right. Now coming to sixth one, the queen of diamonds. So how many diamonds we have actually? Yes, we have 13 diamonds. Okay, in the 13 diamonds, how many queens we have? Only one. Okay, right. Or we can see here also, how many queens we have actually? 4 queens we have. In that, clubs 4, sorry, in that, one is club, one is spade, one is heart, one is diamond. What we have to find? We have to find the probability of queen of diamonds. So how many queens we have in diamonds? Only one. Okay, right. So now favorable outcomes is only 1. So probability of getting a queen of diamonds is equals to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, that is 1 by 52. So 1 by 52 is the probability of getting a queen of diamonds. Okay, I hope you understand this problem very clearly. I have given. Once again, we'll see all the answers. Yeah, this is the actual question. So we have solved already. What is the king of red color probability? That is 1 by 26. And a face card probability is we got 3 by 13. And red face card probability we got 3 by 26. The jack of hearts we got it is 1 by 52. And a spade card probability 1 by 4. The queen of diamonds probability 1 by 52. Right, this is the solution of problem number 6 in 13.2. Yeah, once again see the solution, complete solution here. Thank you.